Curing blindness with a tooth? Yeah, you heard that right. Let's get into this wild story.
So, can this even work? Our story kicks off from the patient's very confused point of view. Okay, so you wake up and see this. Terrifying is definitely the right word for it. Yeah, his reaction is pretty much what you'd expect. Just total, absolute panic. So he finally asks the big question. What on earth is happening to me?
And the doctor's response? So casual. Just borrowing your space, bro.
Incredible.
Apparently, the whole procedure is just 2 simple steps. Borrow space, and then time's up.
But then, out of nowhere, a new voice pipes up, and it changes everything.
And he realizes, wait, it's the tooth that's talking to him. No way.
The tooth is just so chill about it all.
Things have been pretty lively.
I mean, look at these two totally different takes on the exact same situation. Turns out the tooth had dreams of its own. It always wanted to grow on a face.
But then things take another turn, and now even the tooth seems a little surprised.
And then it happens. Just like that, he can see again. Absolutely incredible. Hold on, it's not over yet. Now the doc is doing something else?
The reason? Well, that's actually pretty practical. Gotta keep the new eye nourished. And the tooth totally agrees. It was feeling, a little on the dry side. Then it hits him. This absolutely bonkers procedure, it actually really worked. He just can't believe it. He can really, truly see again. Wow.
So what's the final verdict? The doc is a complete and total miracle worker.
It just makes you wonder, right? What other unbelievable cures are really out there?